Okay, sekarang now we have to head to the, what do you call that? This tube right there. I don't know if it's called a tube or something, but actually want to go. A long time I haven't visited the airport. Let's say that for sure. And yeah, it's something I wanna try lah. So, jom lah tengok. Plane spotting, ada bus spotting pun ada. Oh, ada Thailand, Malaysia ni. But my camera don't have zoom in, so cannot lah. Technically cannot. Kalau nampak plane, mesti ada lah gambar kan. Hey, kau tengok macam mana dia ada. Tengok, oh, itu dia. Nampak bilon. Back to Malaysia airport. Back to my TJ Osmo pocket. The background scenes, boy. Background scenes je. Bayalah. Now if you have to go to the C1 gate, you have to go through this bus lah. They don't use the, what do you call it, the tram rail, those boating. No, they don't use it anymore. I'm speaking quite loud because I don't think you guys can hear me lah. But yeah, I was about to share those photos that I took with a friend of mine, because we both like planes. I think you know who you are, Mr. Cycling Batunian. Bayalah. And I'll just share some pictures with my buddy right here. If he can. Yes, let's go boy.
يوجد خطوط أحمر لتحديد موقع أقرب مخرج طوارئ هذه قد يكون مخيفا. توجد 10 مخارج طوارئ على الإنترنت قبل زمن قيام. عند الحاجة أقرب مخرج يدخل تحتية الكعب العالي وتنزل جميع الأمتعة في حالة إخلاء الطائرة. لتذكر تعليمات السلامة لهذه الطائرة يرجى قراءة بطاقة تعليمات السلامة الموجودة في جنب المقعد. Welcome aboard. We're about to show you the safety features of this Emirates flight, and we need your full attention. By now, your tray table, TV screen and footrest should be folded away. Your window blinds open, and your seat in the upright position. Baggage, including laptops, should be stowed in the overhead lockers, or use the space under the seat in front of you. Please fasten your seatbelt whenever the seatbelt symbol is illuminated. Adjust the belt by pulling the strap and lift the metal flap to unfasten your belt. If you wish to sleep during the flight, fasten the seatbelt over your blanket so that we will not have to disturb you. For takeoff and landing, laptops need to be switched off and stowed correctly. Any mobile phones or tablets should be put into flight mode. After takeoff, we'll let you know when you can turn on Wi-Fi and mobile roaming. If you lose your phone under a seat, ask your cabin crew to help you find it. Do not move the seat, as this may damage the phone and its battery. It is illegal to smoke on board, including using or charging electronic smoking devices. All toilets have smoke detectors. If necessary, oxygen masks will appear from above you. Pulling the mask towards you starts the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your face and breathe normally. Put your mask on first and then help others. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, please brace yourself like this against the seat in front of you. or where that's not possible, brace by leaning as far forward as you can with your arms tucked under your legs. The safety card in your seat pocket shows the life jacket location under or to the side of your seat. When instructed, remove it from the container and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten in front, pulling firmly to secure. Only inflate your life jacket when leaving the aircraft by pulling the two red toggles sharply downwards. You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece and use the whistle to attract attention. In the unlikely event of a landing on water, cabin crew will distribute life jackets for infants and children. Take a moment to locate the emergency exit nearest to your seat, which may be behind you. There are 10 emergency exits on this Boeing 777-300. If needed, lights at floor level will direct you to the nearest exit. Please remove high-heeled shoes and leave all baggage behind if evacuating. To remind yourself of the safety features of this aircraft, please read the safety card in your seat pocket. Your cabin crew will now pass through the cabin carrying out the final safety check. Enjoy your flight with Emirates.
Ladies and gentlemen, if there's a lot of cabin pressure during the flight, please remove your face mask and place the oxygen mask that will drop down in front of you over your mouth and nose.
سيداتي وسادتي في حال انعدام الضغط في المقصورة يرجى إزالة قناع الوجه ووضع قناع الأكسجين على الأسفل وفمنا ونكران.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome on board this flight to Dubai in partnership with Malaysia Airlines. Welcome back to our Emirates KUL members. Our multinational cabin crew on board today come from 10 countries and speak 11 languages. If there's anything we can do to help, please let us know. Your safety and security is always our highest priority. Before we start our training, we'd like to remind you to wear a cloth or medical type face mask throughout the flight, and to remind others to keep their mask on in case anyone forgets. We can all help each other to travel safely and to follow these regulatory requirements. If you do not have a mask, please ask a member of the cabin crew. Please place the used mask and gloves in the waistband in your seat pocket for cabin crew to collect during the flight. For hygiene reasons, please do not place them in without creating seat pocket problems. Rest assured the aircraft has been thoroughly sanitized and we're maintaining high levels of cleanliness and hygiene throughout the flight. We've also temporarily modified some of our in-flight services to keep you safe. The air inside the cabin is cleaned continually through advanced HEPA filters that remove 99.97% of germs, dust and bacteria, and the air is completely changed every 2 to 3 minutes. As you get settled on the flight, please remain distant, avoid standing in the aisle, scanning social areas. We thank you for your cooperation and we wish you a comfortable journey.
يمكنكم أن تحظوا بمتعة لا محدودة على آيس طوال رحلة اليوم، مع ما يتم إضافته دائما من أفلام هوليوود وبوليوود وغيرها، بالإضافة إلى أفضل العروض والبرامج التلفزيونية. استمتع بالمجموعة الواسعة لموسيقى آيس مع قوائم الأغاني الرائعة، الروك والبوب وغيرها الكثير من وسائل الترفيه التي يمكنكم استكشافها على متن رحلاتنا. كنا على قدر التحدي مع إحدى ألعابنا المثيرة، أو العب ضد شخص آخر وأثبت أنك البطل. يمكنك تتبع سير رحلتك على قنوات العرض الجوي اير شو والكاميرات الخارجية وتحديد موقع الرحلة بدقة وماذا يوجد أسفل الطائرة وكم هي سرعتها وزمن الوصول. تابع آخر عناوين الأخبار النصية في العالم طوال الرحلة عبر البث المباشر. ابقى على اتصال مع الأهل والأصدقاء عبر الهاتف المتحرك من خلال بيانات التجوال أو الواي فاي. استمتع بمزايا سكاي ووركس، برنامج المسافر الدائم لطيران الإمارات. استفسر من طاقم الخدمة عن كيفية الانضمام. تبرع لمؤسسة طيران الإمارات الخيرية باستخدام بطاقات الائتمان أو الخصم. يمكنك طلب المساعدة من أفراد الطاقم. مرحبا بكم على متن رحلاتنا. مرحبا بكم إلى آيس.
There's always tons of fun stuff you can do on today's flight with ICE. With new movies added all the time from Hollywood, Bollywood and beyond, as well as hit TV shows and box sets. Enjoy our huge music selection with amazing playlists, rock, pop, classical, and lots more entertainment for you to explore. Challenge yourself with one of our fun games, or play against someone else and prove you're the champ. Switch to the air show channel and know exactly where you are in the world. Find out what's below, how fast we're flying, and when we'll arrive, or simply enjoy the view of our external cameras. Stay up to date with live technical headlines updated throughout.
特别走才开始走路问题，现在大家都比较清楚。这是民族一个现在当年这小地方的，确实等这个事情这么大家才看，为什么有点才大家来是吧？要来决定这个事情，这个很麻烦的，就是很多事情啊。当然整体呢还是跟国外是美国还是对美国还发展了文化的科技，其实美国的科技措施是可以稍微差一点的，其他的一样很强。 这种把人的体系，因为往非常要接触，教育大家的体系，强迫你从权威，其实权威不是很，权威是什么？权威是人觉得你是权威，才是对，才是权威，不是说人去为权威服务，而是权威对人来服务。对，权威这个东西需要权威，但是要把权威化，真正把它压制到底层。说，那你看你怎么发展？你看飞机现在还需要燃料呢。 反重力技术这些这些东西，这样让政府要需要这些真的超级科技，这些科技比传统的学根本一定要打破常规，要打破全部才行。这很多不是说这很正常的，只是
سيداتي وسادتي، مرحبا بكم في مطار دبي الدولي، حيث التوقيت المحلي يشير إلى الساعة 9:35 دقيقة ليلا، ودرجة الحرارة الخارجية 36 درجة مئوية. الرجاء إبقاء الأحزمة مربوطة إلى أن تصدر إشارة ربط أحزمة المقاعد. سيداتي وسادتي، طبقا للأنظمة المحلية يجب على جميع الركاب الالتزام بارتداء قناع الوجه عند مغادرة الطائرة وداخل المطار. أيضا سيداتي وسادتي، نظمت مطارات دبي منشآت مجانية لاختبار جوجل للمسافرين المطلوب اختبارهم عند الوصول. يقع مركز الاختبار في منطقة الاتصال قبل منطقة الوصول، وسيكون أحد موظفي طيران الإمارات في المطار متاحا لإرشادك وفقا لذلك. إذا كان لديك شهادة EK صالحة يرجى إبقائها جاهزة لتقديمها إلى الموظفين عند الوصول. أشكركم لسفركم مع طيران الإمارات بالتعاون مع الخطوط الجوية الماليزية، كما نرجو أن تكونوا قد استمتعتم برحلتكم، آملين أن نكون في خدمتكم مرة أخرى في المستقبل. شكرا وإلى اللقاء.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dubai International Airport, where the local time is 25 to 10 in the evening and the temperature is 39 degrees Celsius. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Due to local regulations, please keep your face mask on when leaving the aircraft and in the airport. Ladies and gentlemen, Dubai airports have arranged a free of charge COVID testing facility for passengers required to be tested on arrival. The test center is located at the connection area before arrival. A member of the Emirates airport staff will be available to guide you accordingly. If you already have valid PCR certificate, please keep it ready to present to the staff on arrival. Thank you for flying Emirates in partnership with Malaysia Airlines. We hope you enjoyed your flight and we look forward to seeing you very soon again. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to remind you to keep a safe 2-meter distance from each customer as you disembark the aircraft later on. Thank you very much and have a nice